In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to use the Groups feature on Slydyr. To browse all the groups available to join, click on the Groups icon on the left-hand menu. You'll then see all the groups on Slydyr. Currently, the groups that are available to join are based on medical laboratory specialties like hematology, blood bank, and chemistry. Once you've found a group you want to join, you can click Join Group. Or you can click on the title of the group to get to the groups page. So this is what the group page looks like. There's a group image and a cover image as well, just like the one you have on your profile. If you scroll down, you'll see the member who started the group. This particular group was started by us, Slydyr, so that's why you can see our profile picture here. If you scroll down further, you'll see a list of all the members of the group. If you click Slides, you can see the posts and other activity by the members of the group. Under Conversations, you'll see any discussion room conversations within the group. A group can be public or private. This group is public, which is why we were able to join and instantly have access. Groups can also be set to private, where members will need to be verified by the organizers in order to be accepted. Once you join a group, you'll be able to see it on your profile under Groups. On the right sidebar, you can see a list of the most popular, newest, and active groups. If you click on your name on the top, you can easily get to your joined groups, see group invitations that have been sent to you, as well as an option for you to create your own group. Everyone on Slydyr can create a group. Simply fill out the group details, and then once you're finished, as the organizer of the group, you'll have a number of options to customize the permissions. You can even set it as a public or private group, limiting access to invited members only. Once you create a group, it will become visible on the Groups page. You can even click on the tab on the top where it says My Groups to see a list of groups you've joined. The Groups feature is perfect for creating private or public spaces for med lab professionals to interact. You can create groups that cater to a specific medical laboratory discipline, people who live in certain geographic areas, or any other commonality. In addition to having conversations with other members, you can even host Zoom meetings and webinars within the groups as well. In our next tutorial, we'll show you how you can integrate your Slydyr account with Zoom so that you can achieve that. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments section or reach out to us on social media or slydyr.com.